In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the member list of a Slack workspace. This is a very useful admin task if you need a clean CSV file of your workspace members for access reviews, internal record keeping, or offline directory management. Before you begin, keep in mind that this option is only available to users with the right administrative permissions, such as a workspace owner, workspace admin, or organization admin. If you don't have that level of access, you won't see the export option. To get started, open Slack using either the desktop app or a desktop web browser. Once your workspace is open, look to the top left area of the screen and click on your workspace name in the sidebar. This opens the main workspace menu. From there, move through the menu until you find Tools and Settings, or in some workspaces, Administration. Then select Manage Members. Slack will open the member management area in a secure admin page in your browser, where you can view and manage your workspace directory. When you're inside the member administration page, go to the top section of the member list and look for the option labeled Export Full Member List. Click that button to begin the export. At this point, Slack starts compiling the member data for you. The export can include profile names, usernames, user IDs, account status information, and permission levels, all packaged into one structured file. Depending on the size of your workspace, this may take a moment, so give it a little time to finish processing. Once the export is ready, Slack will notify you. You'll typically receive a message from Slackbot containing the file or a download link, and in some cases, Slack may also send a notification to your administrator email. Open the Slackbot message and click the Download Member List link, or click directly on the attached CSV file. The file will then download to your computer, usually into your default downloads folder. After the file has finished downloading, open your file manager and locate the CSV file. On a Mac, that will usually be Finder, and on Windows, File Explorer. The file name is often based on your workspace name and ends with members.csv. Double-click the file to open it in a spreadsheet app like Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, or Apple Numbers. Once opened, you'll see your member list arranged in a simple grid, making it easy to sort, search, filter, and review the information row by row. That's all there is to it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.